Send it to the council. They got permission for this.
I can see the sea deer from up here.
Is it in?
No.
Sea view.
Well out.
I've never thought about sea view. I know you can see one out the front a little bit.
We're surrounded by care homes.
Yeah. But none of them really care, they're only in it for the money.
It's quite pleasant up here in the sun. Right, I'll get stacking these bloody tiles you're taking off of.
That's alright, I'm going to send it down the chute.
Yeah, that's assuming I can cast them. Nah. Well, you shouldn't feel the weight really when you kick it off if you got it tense. It shouldn't be a jolt or anything. I wouldn't get too carried away, Tim. Cut one in there. Cut yourself one in there. Comes through it like that. Yeah, so bring it back there. Just